Look guys, it's so beautiful. Yan. Look. Ayan, tour tayo. And it's a beautiful flowers. Ito yung flowers sa bouquet pang kasal. Okay, let's turn around. Oh, I love pink. Here's the yellow. Ayan siya. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, there's the pink, red. Oh, red na ba? Yellow. Ayan. Ayan. A lot of flowers. Yay! Ooh. Look at that beautiful thing. Beautiful. Ooh. Parang bouquet lang siya. Ayan. Enjoy the... Ayan. Parang sa Pilipinas. Tsaka meron pa dito guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga. Hanggang tingin na lang tayo kasi ang mahal. Look at that. Look at the price. Tarian. O diba? Taray ng presyo. Ayan siya guys. Take a look. Woo! It's a big gomamela. Here's another more. Yay! I love the colors. Oh, yan. Ang ganda. My God! In love ako sa flowers na to. There's the azalea. Just wait. Just wait. Ayan. Azalea.